In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Claude 3.5 models using Python, Langchain, or LlamaIndex. Now, for people who are unaware of the new Claude 3.5 model, it is a new model released by Anthropic. Now, right now, it is absolutely dominating the benchmarks right now. And also, they're going to release the Claude 3.5 Haiku and Opus later this year. But right now, we have the Sonnet. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use it with simple Python, Langchain, and LlamaIndex. By the way, I make similar videos like these on LLMs, machine learning, and other data science tools. So please feel free to subscribe. Now, before we start with our implementation, you have to make sure you have the API key from the Claude dashboard. And after you've done that, you have to make sure you have it in your environment. In here, I have it in my Google Colab environment. So make sure you guys have that. And now, first thing we have to do is install our Anthropic package for Python. After we have that, we have to import Anthropic. We're also going to import Google Colab, import user data to bring our API key. After that, we have to define our client, and we have to define our client message and create. Now this is where we create a client, where we pass in the model. Over here, we have Claude 3.5, Sonnet. Now when the new model comes out like Haiku and Opus, you should just have to replace it and you're good to go. You have max tokens, temperature, and this is the prompt you have to pass in, or the system prompt. And then over here, you have to pass in the different messages you have, which is essentially a JSON object with a role and the content you want to have. In this case, we're asking, why is the ocean salty? Now we have to run it and print out the message content. And there we go. Waves crash and foam. Earth different, blah, 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 blah. Okay, there we have the answer. Now we get implemented using Langchain. Similar story here, install the packages. Then we have to import Chat Anthropic. And then we import the model. Chat Anthropic model API key, we pass it over here. And after that, we can predict our model, asking the same question, why is the ocean salty? And there we go. Now we get to do the exact same thing, but with the LlamaIndex. First thing we have to do is we have to import the settings and Anthropic package from LlamaIndex. We have to pass in the tokenizer from Anthropic into the settings. And now we get to call our model. Again, very, very similar to LlamaIndex, Langchain. And then we simply have to do llm.complete Paul is, and this is the response. And here we go. Okay, so this is how you guys implement or actually call Claude 3.5 models using Langchain, LlamaIndex, or simple Python. I hope this really improves your application, or if you're thinking of creating an application using this model, I hope you guys found it insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. All right, guys, have a nice day.